For tomorrow afternoon, more of the same, really. Temperatures inland will be about 80 degrees, 70 around the bay, and 60 degrees are the usual low clouds at the coastline. And we can see the low clouds in this distant view. It's keeping us cool, as well as the Golden Gate Bridge under overcast skies. We're in San Francisco at 62, but in Concord at 78. Very pleasant Sunday evening out in the East Bay. Look at those low clouds, though, pulling in along the shoreline again. Pretty brisk onshore flow. And that means that highs will only be in the 70s inland through midweek. A mild week on tap for the Bay Area, with a futurecast showing the clouds rolling in tonight and filling in the bay and getting swept all the way out into the Central Valley. That's how strong that onshore push is. And as a result of the low pressure that's offshore, just a trough over California that keeps the coast chilly, while the inland still gets up to mid to upper 70s. So fog and drizzle near the coastline, not going to change much. Mild weather inland through midweek, and then a little bit of a warm up will begin on Thursday. We'll get back in the 80s by then for the inland areas. Giants are taking on the Arizona Diamondbacks tomorrow night, 7:15, be breezy and cool, and that describes tonight. A little bit on the cool side. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s. Daytime highs tomorrow continue below average. Some places big time. Concord only 79 and Oakland 70 degrees. Down in the South Bay tomorrow still be pleasant. Temperatures in the mid-70s, up to 80 at Los Gatos. Out in the East Bay, a few low clouds tomorrow morning, and then sunshine, and most of the readings mid to upper 70s. 78 for Santa Rosa and 74 for Petaluma, 77 for Novato. Still up at Ukiah, though, you want 80s. That is where you will find them. And the latter half of the week, too. By the time we get to Friday and Saturday, the numbers will recover into the 80s inland. But in the meantime, there will be sunshine, but we'll have to wait for it. And speaking of